A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter Human Health and Disease, and the topic is drugs and alcohol abuse. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the use of drugs and their use of drugs and alcohol and their effect on our body. So mainly, if drugs or alcohol used by people other than the medical use or other than an useful so it is treated as drugs and alcohol abuse. There are so many effects on our body. The drugs effect on our body on the basis of physical, physiological and psychological way, or they affect psychological on our body psychologically. So that's why the drugs and alcohol abuse cause so many effect on our body or the people which is consuming the drug and alcohol. Now let us discuss about the drugs. How many type of drugs generally found in nature, or which are obtained by not synthetic drug. Naturally they are obtained by the latex, flower, seed and leaves of the plant. Now first is the opioids drugs. First we discuss about the what are drugs. If a drugs abuse, if a people use drug in major quantity, simply more in quantity, so that may affect, or because these are sedative effect of drugs on our body is physical that affect our body physically, psychological, physiological, psychological. Psychologically, our body is affected by the drugs. Now mainly the opioid drugs, generally opioids found used by people, opioids. Or if we talk about the function of opioids or receptor, because for the different drugs or chemical, the receptors are already present in our body. That's a particular, if we talk about the drugs or alcohol, their chemicals bind on the receptor, or then finally they target the cell for the function what they actually do. If they if people consume more in amount, so they may cause even they may cause harmful effect, or also the person undergoes in addiction for the particular drug or alcohol. So that's why it is harmful for us. Now opioids are commonly called smack, It is odorless, white, crystalline substance. Odorless, white, crystalline substance. Odorless, white, crystalline substance, or chemically it is formed by the purification of morphine, formed by morphine or acetylation of morphine. formed by acetylation of morphine. That's why the opioids are known as it is also known by the another name, diacetyl morphine. Opioids are also known as diacetyl morphine. So this is known as diacetyl morphine. Diacetyl morphine. Receptors for the opioids are present on the CNS, central nervous system of human, and gastrointestinal tract. Receptors are present on the CNS, central nervous system, and gastrointestinal tract, that is GIT. CNS and GIT. Gastrointestinal tract. Or GIT. So, what are the effects on the body of these? Generally, these are used as painkiller. Morphine is used as painkiller, but if the person take in large amount, so these are sedative. So the effect on our body, they slowing down the body function or cardiovascular system. Effect of opioids. Effects of opioids are slowing down the body function or cardiovascular system. Slowing down the overall physiology of body. Physiology of body and other body function and cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system. So these are the function of and the effect of opioids. What we have discussed in today's class, that the drugs mainly effect on our body physically, physiologically and psychologically, because the receptors are already present in our body in different position. Or now first we are going to, naturally the opioids, naturally drugs also obtained by the plants. First is opioid. Opioids are obtained from the plant Papaver somniferum, which is also known as poppy plant. Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum, mainly latex of the plant used for making the drugs or opioids, are obtained by the acetylation of morphine. Chemically, these opioids are also known by the another name, that is diacetyl morphine. The receptors of opioids are opioid drugs already present in our body in the CNS and the gastrointestinal tract. And when they bind with the receptor, they target the cell and also slowing down the other physiological function, physiology and cardiovascular system. So that's why it is harmful. Mainly the morphines are used as a painkiller, but if a person using this in a large amount or maximum in quantity, so they also affect the brain, because the receptors are present in the CNS part or CNS or gastrointestinal tract. That's why they bind and slowing down the physiological function of the human. Now this is overall about the opioids. Now next is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids also used by the human, and most part of the cannabis sativa, which is a plant from which cannabinoids obtained, or cannabis most of the part used by the human, like leaf, inflorescence, seeds, all latex, all the parts used in the formation of different type of drugs like charas, hashish, ganja. So these are the variety of drugs which are obtained by the plant cannabis sativa. So next drug is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids obtained by the plant cannabis sativa. Plant is sativa plant. Or which part of the plant used for making the cannabinoids? Most of the plant part like leaves, inflorescence, seeds, seeds even used for making the drugs, for making drugs like charas, ganja, hashish. Charas, ganja, hashish. So these are obtained by the inflorescence, latex of the plant, seeds and leaves of the plant. One of the product is bhang, which is also used, which is also prepared by the leaves of cannabis sativa. So it is so important that generally people use the charas, ganja, hashish for as a sedative, but these are the drugs. Generally they also cause the hallucination. Mostly the charas, ganja, hashish, both, all the three products of cannabis sativa cause hallucination. Mainly the receptors of these present in the brain. Receptors are present in the brain and cause hallucination. Now these are the about cannabis sativa. If we talk about the leaf of cannabis sativa, so are the leaves of Cannabis sativa. Generally, now, cannabinoids are obtained by the plant Cannabis sativa, which is generally the cannabinoids prepared by most of the part of the Cannabis sativa, like leaves, inflorescence, seed, except the latex are also used for making the charas. Now, the charas, the products of Cannabis sativa or the drugs which are prepared by the Cannabis sativa are charas, ganja, hashish. Receptor for the cannabinoids are present in the brain. So mainly the brain is affected by the drug cannabinoids, or that cause the hallucination. So these are the common feature of the cannabinoids. Now next is coca alkaloids. Drug is coca alkaloids. Drug 3 is coca alkaloid. Now, next plant is coca alkaloids, which is the common name of coca alkaloid is crack, coke, cocaine. And the plant from which it is obtained is Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca. And the receptor is present on the CNS part of the body. Or mainly if we talk about the effect of these plants, so excessive the coca alkaloids increase energy. Increase energy, and also excess dose cause hallucination, euphoria, and euphoria. So these are the common feature of the and effect of the coca alkaloid. Some of the sport person also using crack cocaine because it increase the energy, and cannabinoids are also used by the sport person. And another feature is the use of drug. Mainly there are so many synthetic drugs are also obtained which cause effect on our body. So these are the common drugs which are used by the people or which are obtained by the plant. Some of the synthetic drugs are also obtained, but except these synthetic drugs, some plants like Tropa belladonna and Dhatura also cause hallucination. And Dhatura cause hallucination. So these are the common characteristic of the cocaine and coca alkaloid, which is commonly known as crack, coke or cocaine, obtained by the plant which is a native of now. The erythroxylum is a native to South America. Receptors are present on The CNS part, increase energy also cause hallucination and euphoria. Cause hallucination and euphoria. If we talk about the effect of the coca plant, so hallucination and euphoria caused by the drug obtained by the erythroxylum coca. Atropine and dhatura also cause hallucination. Some of the fruit seeds also cause hallucination, which is commonly used by the ancient period, from the ancient period by the people of the ancient period. Or if we talk about the synthetic drugs, so these are the drugs which are obtained by the plant, but other drugs which are obtained by which is synthetically prepared, that are barbiturate, amphetamine, benzodiazepine. Other drugs are barbiturate, amphetamine, and benzodiazepine and benzodiazepine. These are drugs used as in medicine or as a medicine for treating mental illness like insomnia and depression. So use in mental illness like depression and insomnia. And some of the other than these, morphine is used for person which undergoes in surgery as a painkiller. So morphine used as a painkiller because of the sedative properties, painkiller or effective painkiller, morphine. So these are the drugs which use in the form of which use as a medicine. So here in this class, in today's class, we have discussed about the different type of drugs which are obtained by the plant, like opioids, which is obtained by the plant, Papaver somniferum. Mainly latex of the plant is used, or opioids are obtained by the acetylation of morphine, or chemically it is also known as the diacetyl morphine. And receptor for opioids are present in the CNS part or gastrointestinal tract, or mainly they affect the slowing down our physiological function, and also affect the cardiovascular system. Another drug is cannabinoids, which is obtained by the cannabis sativa plant. Most part of the plant used for making different type of drugs like leaves, inflorescence, seeds, etc. Latex are also used to prepare different type of drugs like charas, ganja, hashish, bhangs. These are the drugs which is used for. Now, if we talk about the receptors mainly present in the brain, or that also cause the hallucination. Now, third drug is the cocaine, or crack, which is also known as cracks. That is coca alkaloid, obtained by the South American native plant, that is Erythroxylum coca, or mainly the receptor present in the CNS part cause hallucination and euphoria. Other than these drugs, atropa, belladonna and datura also have the sedative property, or also affect the physiological function, cause hallucination. Now, some of the fruits or seeds also have same hallucination property. Now, other synthetic drugs are barbiturates, amphetamine, benzodiazepines used in mental illness like depression and insomnia. And morphine used as a painkiller, which is a as we know, this is obtained by the plant. Now here is overall the drugs, synthetic or as well as the plant, which is obtained by the plant. Now I hope you like this video, student, and thank you for listening and watching.